Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Trending Tonight. I'm Sanket Upadhyay. So, a big mandate in favor of the Left Democratic Front in Kerala, breaking the Kerala cycle of UDF and LDF. This was a big victory for the LDF, for Pinarayi Vijayan, for his leadership and his dynamic team. They asked for votes in the name of continuity, that let's continue the good work and all the people who did the good work. But after winning, it seems that a decision has been taken that the team will be changed. Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan will continue to be Chief Minister, but his team of cabinet members will change. Now, this is the Chief Minister's prerogative. He can do it. He is mandated to do this. He can take any such decision. But what happens to continuity? And what is the rationale behind this decision? If you want to change the whole pack, then extend this logic to yourself also. Is merit not one of the considerations when you are changing people? Because if that were have been a consideration, you would not have changed Shailaja teacher or KK Shailaja, who has been respected and honored for her work globally, internationally, not just in India. She did not find, and that too after winning a record with a record margin, she did not find a mention in this cabinet. She is not part of the new cabinet. Now, this is a decision, as we are saying again and again, the prerogative of the Chief Minister. But what is the rationale behind the use of this prerogative is the question that we are asking. If you asked for votes in the name of continuity, where is the continuity? Is the question that we are asking. We'll try to decode this decision of Pinarayi Vijayan in just a short moment from now. Let's put this up for a discussion. Before we do that, on your screen right now, you can see how top performer Shailaja is now out. CPM says that our focus is on Gen Next, uniform principle for all, and that is why we have taken this decision. But as I said, if that is the decision, then why is that decision not applicable to all, including the Chief Minister? If you are focusing on Gen Next, and if you want a younger team, then extend that logic to the person who's at the helm. Or are we looking at a Kerala where under Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan's leadership, there will be a different set of rules for him and a different set of rules for his team? Let's now quickly put this up for a discussion. We've got Saira Shah Halib, a political analyst, views lean towards the CPM. Mr. PKD Nambiar supports the BJP, is a political analyst. Shama Mohammed, spokesperson of the Congress Party. A.N. Shamsir, MLA and leader of Kerala CPIM. And we'll also be joined in just a short moment by Dhanya Rajendran, journalist as well as editor-in-chief of the News Minute. We'll begin with you, Mr. A.N. Shamsir. I want to begin with you. How do you explain, what is the rationale behind the decision, I would want to ask you?
You had made a statement that the prerogative of the Chief Minister. It is not the prerogative of the Chief Minister, it is the prerogative of the CPIM. CPIM, you know, the collective leadership. Our collective leadership has decided to include a new team in the cabinet. Such decisions can be taken by only CPIM. We are not a bourgeois party. We can take such a decision. Look, in the last election, we gave only 8 existing ministers contested in the election, 7 won. We excluded 5 senior ministers. We excluded many senior MLAs. That was the decision of CPIM. The people accepted that mandate. We got 99 seats out of 140. People has voted for the works that had done by the CPIM government, the LDF government in the last 5 years. We will continue. You had made a statement why that prerogative was not included for Chief Minister. Look, Mr. Gentleman, Anchor, I want to mention one point. In the last election, we declared a leader who will lead the election, who will be the next Chief Minister. For that, our Politburo is the highest policy-making body of CPIM. That has clear-cutly mentioned the leader as projected as the Chief Minister. That was Pinarayi Vijayan. Now, our parliamentary party has decided, CPIM State Committee met today, at the presence of SRP, Kodiyeri, AB and also Pinarayi Vijayan, the 4 PB members. At that highest body of the Kerala State Committee has decided and elected parliamentary party leader as Comrade Pinarayi Vijayan, and he will be the next Chief Minister. Unnecessarily, the media is creating problems.
That's exactly my point. I don't get the rationale here. At least I'm struggling to understand the rationale, Mr. Shamsir. Dhanya Rajendran is also with us. Dhanya, I saw a tweet of yours and you've been talking about this pretty actively. If the idea is to promote merit and bring in new faces, you have to reward merit also. The exclusion of KK Shailaja, I mean, it's pretty clear that she does not hold some sort of a privilege, that just because she's done good work, she should find a mention. But then that logic should extend to everyone, Chief Minister downwards.
Well, Sanket, I have a couple of doubts here. First, why did this rule suddenly come into play that known old faces will be repeated in the ministry? Now, before the elections, Pinarayi Vijayan said that those who have contested twice and won as MLAs will not contest a third time, and many, like Thomas Isaac, could not contest. Now, suddenly a new rule has been brought in that new faces, the cabinet will have only new faces, ministers will not be repeated. Now, first, I want to question the logic of this so-called rule. Does the CPM have some data which tells them that if ministers are repeated, they will not perform well? Why did the CPIM suddenly decide that they will have only new faces? There is no logical explanation given to us. And second, I completely agree with you that should be a system of reward. And I am seeing this purely from a gender perspective. Women in a male-dominated field like politics is rare. Successful women are rarer. And even more rare are women like KK Shailaja, who go on to inspire millions of people. So for young women who are looking to politics, who are looking to a career in politics, how do they view this rewarding system? That you are a woman in that system, you have performed really well, you have inspired people, but even then you may not find yourself in the next cabinet because of some obscure rule which is brought suddenly. So I'm questioning the very decision of bringing this rule and why was it brought into the first place?
Interesting. Saira Shah Halim, as someone whose views lean towards the CPM, I want to ask you, do you feel that these rules are random, and would you go so far as Dhanya has gone to basically say that this is a situation where you have refused to reward a woman for her exemplary work? And look at the margin with which she won, 60,000 plus.
So
she's every bit a victor and needs to be celebrated.
Absolutely, Sanket. Like everybody respects and knows the work that Ms. KK Shailaja has done, and there is no doubting that. However, I'm just trying to, just put sense to whatever the confusion that is around. Like as somebody who's been observing politics for a long time, I'll say one thing, that firstly, the left is trying to bring about a fresh perspective. Now, there have been 3 women ministers who have been who are going to be inducted in the cabinet, and that's a first for any state for a long time. And I'd like to tell one thing, that Mr. Vijayan is also going to be the parliamentary leader. So he did not choose to be the CM. The party decided that he's going to be the CM. And the reason, what I feel, is that fresh faces are being inducted so that there's no underlying monopoly that the previous regime, like the previous ministers, if they had a sway, that will not be repeated.
Ms. Halim, Saira Shah Halim, see, we know that there is a set, I won't say rule, but a norm that you follow a process of continuum, that you don't change the whole pack. You reward those who are delivering and you weed out those who are not. And thus is a system of continuity in a system, the word that I heard Dhanya using in her tweet. That is something, a philosophy which the left also followed in Kerala. What is this sudden change?
See the idea.
Why? Are we missing something?
See, the whole idea, Sanket, of communism is that you believe in a commune. If you believe in a commune, you believe in equal rights and you believe in equity. So equity means equal opportunity.
Oh, then Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan should also go.
No, Sanket,
give someone else rights to become the chief minister. Perhaps you will have a younger chief minister and a better chief minister.
No, definitely. What I like to say, what I like to iterate once again, is that they definitely is a method to the madness. Agreed that Ms. Shailaja teacher has done exemplary work in handling the COVID-19 crisis. I mean, she's been a phenomenal leader. The world across, people have applauded the effort that she has put in containing the coronavirus pandemic. However, what I'm trying to say, it's not always the effort of one person or one individual. It's always teamwork. perhaps there are a lot of other people.
Well, I agree with you, Saira, but I fail to understand this concept of rewarding a victor. It's it's proving to be very difficult for me to understand that a person who led from the forefront, led the team in this corona fight, is now nowhere in the picture as far as the I would have thought that you would have rewarded her with an even stronger role. Given that the pandemic has not gone anywhere. Shama Mohammed is also with us, and so is Mr. Nambiar. Shama Mohammed, quickly coming back to what Dhanya said, is this a case where women and women achievers have been neglected or marginalized?
See, there are two things here. You have to understand Pinarayi Vijayan. He wants to be the next Erdogan and Putin of Kerala, or that is what he is. He's a dictator. We all do that.
Okay.
Everybody says that he's got a spine, but I'm telling you, he's the most spineless chief minister Kerala has ever had. First and foremost, what he does is, whatever his competition is, he removes them. That's why he didn't give any of those Kodieri, E.P. Jayarajan, Thomas Isaac, anybody tickets. Now, this lady, he would have not wanted to give her the ticket, but he was helpless because everybody all over the world, they were talking about her. Now, last year when COVID, she was fighting, I must say, even though she is not from my party, but I admire her. When the initial COVID wave came, Kerala was way ahead compared to the rest of the states, and she was doing press conferences almost every day. When he saw her popularity rising, the world talking about her, he moved her aside. He stopped her from doing press conference. Every day we had to see Pinarayi Vijayan's face because he was completely insecure about this lady coming up. Where Shamsheer was talking about Pinarayi, he won with 40,000 in Dharmadam. This lady won with 60,000, the highest. She's bigger than him. But of course, they cannot acknowledge her. They have to put a sideline her. And also for the fact that even though Kerala has 94.6% literacy and we have more women to men in terms of percentage, politics is a patriarchal game there. They will not let a woman come up. That is what it is. And I've experienced it personally also. So there it is. I mean, it's very clear that there is nothing. And also, another important point is there is nepotism. His son-in-law has become MLA, and the lady, Bindu, who has also become a minister, is Vijay Raghavan's wife. Now, they also like women who can say, Simple Simon, stand up, stand up. Simple Simon, sit down, sit down. They are, of course, intimidated
Shama Mohammed, very, very important points that you have mentioned. I'm sure if I go to Mr. Shamsheer or Saira Shah Aleem, they'll list out a whole list of people in your party also. But before we do that and go across to Mr. Nambiar, and I give Mr. Shamsheer his right to reply, let's listen into what KK Shailaja had to say. We spoke to her and asked her these questions. Let's very quickly play out that interview and I'll come back to this discussion.
How do you see the decision of not including you as part of the new cabinet in Kerala government?
It's a policy decision of our party and the Left Democratic Front that our party decided that all the ministers should be newcomers and no other minister previously who were in the office was not with the new cabinet. And according to that decision, I also decided to quit.
How would you respond to people who are saying this is a misogynist decision of a party?
No, we cannot say so because every time the freshers would come. When I came to office, I was fresh candidate. And so many workers are there in the party and they should also get the opportunity to prove their work or to serve the society. They should also get the opportunity. I'm thinking so.
Is this same like why Mr. Thomas Isaac or other experienced MLAs, former ministers were not even fielded in the elections?
Yeah, they were not even fielded in the elections. And I contested in the election and I won also. I am now...
You won with in a historic manner, just the way the left won in a historic manner.
Thanks to the people. And I can work as an MLA in my constituency and also with my party.
Well, you are going to be the party's chief whip. All the best, Ms. KK Shailaja.
All right, let me quickly come back. Mr. Shamsheer, see, the thing is, when you are in a state of crisis like we are right now as a country in Kerala, which has borne the brunt of COVID-19, in a time of crisis, you bring in or you depend on expertise. You put your best foot forward, right? And at a time like that, you have made the best person that was available to the cabinet sit on the back seat. I don't understand this logic. Whatever we are trying to do, I mean, these experiments, couldn't they have waited? There is something amiss. And as Shama Mohammed said, would you like to exercise your right to reply? She says that this is nothing but a problem. This is Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan's insecurity.
First of all, please give enough time to speak. First of all, the person, the Honorable Shama has made such comments against our Chief Minister. He compared with Erdogan. First, Shama should teach lessons to her own party. What is her party's position in India?
We are
They
not
are
talking about
coming isolated in the whole
No.
India.
Let's talk about Kerala.
They have become a small party. Look, I didn't interfere. Show some
but you are-
patience. Show some patience. Show some patience. That's why you become a. That's why you become a small party. Show some patience.
What you're asking him.
Yeah,
Talk
yeah.
about-
I
Okay, one more,
I
Mr.
will
Shamsi,
give
if
proper
you could-
answer to.
if you
I
could
will give
comment.
proper answer to everybody.
One by one,
I
one
will
by
give
one.
proper answer to everybody. She's a frustrated lady. Look. She's a frustrated lady. She
He's
tried to
making a personal
ticket in
comment,
Kerala, but
Sanket. He's
unfortunately
made
she
a
didn't got
frustrated
ticket in
lady.
Kerala.
Please ask
That's
him.
why.
No,
That's why.
one
That's why
moment,
she's
Mr.
making
Shamsi,
unnecessary
if you
comments
could
against
reply
our
to
Chief
the
Minister.
question that has been asked. Is this Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan's insecurity? That he has, in a way, removed all those people who were meritorious.
Look, Mr. Look.
Marwadi parayu. Marwadi. Adinte Marwadi.
Anger should learn about CPIM. What is the party's system? At least you are conducting a discussion. At least you have to learn what is the way of party's decision taking body. You know, party decision making body is Politburo.
No, Mr.
Pinarayi Vijayan
Shamsi,
is also a
you
part
know,
of Politburo.
I will not
With
take
the help of
lectures on
Politburo,
how
our
debates
party's
are
state
conducted.
committee has
I have my right to ask this question. There will be, I know a lot about the left. I've
But
covered
I
it
have a
as
right
a
to
beat,
give answer.
and
I have a right to
something
give
is amiss.
answer. I am not a slave of you.
Something is
Mr.
amiss in
Gentleman,
this
I am not a
decision.
slave. I am not your slave. I
this
can
is
also
very
participate.
Why are you getting
I can also
agitated?
give reply.
This is
Why
how
are
he
you
is.
showing
I understand. This is
Why
his
are you being
behavior.
intolerant to me?
Yeah, you are the
Look,
No,
I have a
Mr.
right to
Shamsi,
give
I
reply.
don't understand the reason behind
I have
getting
a right to give
agitated.
reply.
There are two women over here who have alleged that this is...
You are asking such a
this is
question
a
to me.
situation
You are
of
not
this
give,
is a-
you are asking questions while I am giving reply. You are asking again questions. You please
at
keep
his
quiet.
arrogance.
No, you're
Then I will
not.
give proper
You're
answer.
Arrogant.
casting personal aspersions.
Continuity
Arrogant.
means not the continuity of the individual.
And that we can't
At
allow.
least,
See,
gentlemen,
we've got
you should learn.
limited,
Continuity
we've got
means
limited
not the continuity of the
airtime. If you've
individual.
got something meaningful to say, I'll be more than happy to give you time.
Arrogance.
Yeah, look, in your point of view may be meaningless, but in my point is meaningful. Party has decided to a generation change. We had only kept our chief minister. Rest 17 ministers are a new one. As far as CPIM is concerned, we had fielded 11 candidates as a
No, by that
ministers.
logic, you should have a
All are
Gen Next
new.
chief minister
Only
also.
one exception, that is chief minister. Because look, at least CPIM is a party. Please give a chance to take a decision. Our party ourselves take decision. I am not asking the NDTV to make decision. I am not interfering in their policy decisions. That NDTV has a right to take decision. Likewise, our party has a right to take decision. There is no need to intervene from
I
your
am
side.
just trying to understand the
Our
logic.
party has a right
that in a
to
time
take
of crisis,
decisions
you
as a
depend
party.
on people who are Mr. Dependable.
You will never
You
understand
don't
the logic.
suddenly
You will
send
never
your
understand this,
11th
gentleman.
man
You will never
at
understand
the
because
top order.
you are blind.
I don't
you are
understand
blind
this.
because you are against the CPIM.
You can
So
you
are
can
blind.
prove me wrong. Let's hope. Let's
You
hope
are
that
blind.
history is kinder
So
to
you
you. But
will
Mr.
never
PKD
understand.
Nambir.
Sure,
Sure, sir.
firstly, I must tell you.
I bow to your wisdom. Yes.
Sanket,
Mr.
firstly,
Nambir.
I must tell you that whomsoever this gentleman and Shamsi.
I am also proud to
believe-
your wisdom, gentlemen. I am also proud to your wisdom.
Don't spoil the image of Kerala, man. Just sit quiet and don't call a lady on a frustrated lady on a national television. You say that you are an educated MLA of CPIM. First shut your mouth and say that sorry to that lady. That is the
I know
kind
who is
of-
the gentleman.
Today-
Who are you?
today,
Who are you? I am asking, who are you?
whoever I may be.
You are the ambassador of Kerala. Are you the ambassador of Kerala?
One
Hey,
moment.
what-
You
Are
can,
you the ambassador of Kerala?
at the end of this show, you
Hello,
can give
gentlemen.
each
Are you
other
the
your
ambassador?
introduction.
No,
Mr.
I don't
Nambiar.
know. You are the ambassador of Kerala. I don't know.
Today what-
Sorry.
the rest-
Mr.
today
Nambiar, I don't know who are you. Whether government has decided you as an ambassador.
Sanket,
Learn to respect the woman.
Mr. Ambassador, okay, you continue.
Okay,
I don't know.
Mr. Ambassador, you continue.
The topic is going haywire.
I think I must tell you one thing.
Okay, Mr. Shamsir, will you now allow everyone else to speak also?
Sanket, I will
Yeah.
tell you today.
Mr.
what is
Nambiar,
happening-
please.
Look,
Yeah.
you are
Today what is
surrounding. You are surrounding and attacking me. You all are one side, and I am alone. And you are shooting me, and you are not allowing me to resist.
No, it's
And you
not
are
about
asking-
one
I'm
side
not
and
allowing to
alone.
speak anybody.
And this cannot be a
That is
qualifier. By the
what
way,
you-
you've got Ms.
At
Halim
least you
also
have to be
on your
thankful.
side. But this
Because
cannot be a
you are haunting my
qualifier for
party.
you to suddenly
You are
turn a
haunting my
circuit.
party. You are haunting my chief minister. Then I have a right to.
Mr.
I have to right to
no, I'm
listen. That
asking
is
you
my duty.
questions. It's a valid question.
If you are not
There are
giving enough
three
chance,
people
then I will
asking
intervene.
these questions.
Sanket, I wanted to. Can I come in?
Even now, I do not have a logical explanation.
Can I
Dhanya
come in?
Rajendran very quickly wanted to come in. Dhanya and then Saira.
Yeah.
Sanket, you
So
are.
I just
You
want
will
to tell
never-
Mr.
I'll come to
Shamsir
Mr.
something.
Nambiar. I'll come
understand
to
the
you.
logic.
Yes,
Because
Dhanya.
you are against us. That's why.
Yeah. Sanket, I just want to tell Mr. Shamsher something. He said you don't understand how the party functions. The party members, the ministers, the MLAs, they all can accept this decision. But in a participative democracy, people who voted for the government, people who did not vote for the government have as much right to actually tell what they believe. And today, the outburst on social media, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan and other people in CPIM should understand that this mandate, as much as it was largely for Pinarayi Vijayan, it was also for KK Shailaja. There is a large majority of people, especially women, who trusted her, who voted for her. So they believe the mandate is for her also. So if this is a participative democracy, people can voice their opinions, which is what they have done. The question before us is, will CPIM take into consideration this outpour of emotion on social media and elsewhere and rethink
But
this
Dhanya,
whole rule
I
they
wanted
came
to
up
ask
with?
you if Mr.
No,
Vijayan
never.
wants to
Dhanya
take this
Rajendran,
dramatic
no,
decision
never. No,
to
never.
have a brand new cabinet.
No, never.
What is wrong? See, if he
Social media is not a
falters,
platform.
he is going to face the brick
Social
bats.
media is
No.
not a decision-making body.
Yeah, that's
No,
see, Sanket,
Party
you can
has
see
their
now.
own way.
No, Sanket, my question
no
back
need to
would
worry.
be, why a new cabinet?
There is no need to
there a
worry.
rule-
Social media is
there-
not the platform. The people will decide.
So this is
People
that's
voted
what
for the
people
left,
have
not for the
decided.
individual.
No, people have
have voted
decided.
for the left and left policies.
People have decided. Your dictator, the dictator
People
is
have
one-
voted for the
Mr.
left
Shamsir,
policies.
one
not
moment,
for
can you
individual.
allow others to
not
speak,
for an
please?
individual.
Yes.
People has voted for the left, not for a individual. Don't create a personality cult in CPIM.
Sanket, can I
Don't
come
create
in?
a personality cult.
Okay,
personal
okay.
because you
Dhanya,
are-
very
you are-
quickly.
Sanket, can I come in? Because the
Ambassador
election
can
was
come.
done on Pinarayi Vijayan's name. That's how they did the election in Kerala this time.
Sanket, you have been
on
unfair.
Pinarayi's name. That is
Can
how
I
it
come in?
was.
Yes, yes, Mr. Nambiar, I'll come to you. I'll give you the last word. Dhanya, very quickly.
Sanket, can I please come
Dhanya
in?
Rajendran and then Mr. Nambiar.
Well, my point is only this. The messaging from what the CPM has done today, the message is very disappointing that women who perform very well in politics will not get rewarded. There is, of course, the big political question as to whether this is an attempt to keep KK Shailaja away. That's something the party will have to answer to people. But what happened today is disappointing. And seeing the reactions, I hope the CPIM takes corrective action, though I don't have any hopes of it.
No, going by Mr. Shamsir's reaction, this seems, it almost appears as if the party is rattled with all this criticism. Mr. Nambiar, I'll give you the last word.
So
you can continue.
I think so what happened today in Kerala, it is not about just a Shailaja teacher. It is basically a mindset of a party and the political head of CPIM today, the Pinarayi Vijayan. As a party, CPIM has reduced to just a Kerala party, and CPIM, the big boss is, or a Stalin, not even an Erdogan or a Putin. He's trying to become a Stalin of new avatar of a Stalin in Kerala. It is not about, it is, if you really look at the history, earlier too, the first minister of, the woman minister of EMS Namboodiripad government, that the K.R. Gauri Amma, they have contested to make her as a chief minister just because of she was a lady. They didn't make her as a chief minister. Second time, Sushila Gopalan, the great AKG's wife, was supposed to become the chief minister. It is an anti-woman party. Do you know that when they talk about it's a Kerala is predominantly a matriarchal society, wherein you only have the CPIM, the ruling party, is not even able to give a performing minister a second chance. The Politburo of CPIM has got only one Politburo woman Politburo member.
It is a debate to abuse our CM.
Secondly,
Then I am not
this is
ready
the
to
first time in the
participate.
history of
Is this a
Kerala
debate to
that
abuse our
a
CM?
chief minister
I want to
and
know.
his son-in-law
Is this a
is
debate to
becoming-
abuse our CM? I want to know.
is becoming like a
I want to know in this
family.
debate. Is this a debate to abuse our chief minister?
CPIM has
Then I am not ready. I am not. I am reluctant to participate.
Okay.
Is this a debate to abuse our CM? Then I am reluctant to
In
participate.
any case, Mr. Shamsi, I've run out of time.
Debate should be in a
But the
gentle manner,
point
in a
is-
healthy manner.
Okay,
How
hard
are
stop.
you not?
No.
We have run out of time. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. But the point is, in a participative democracy, in a democracy, it is all about people's choice, people's view, what people want. And at this moment, politics is also the world of perception. Is the CPM under the leadership of Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan willing to risk carrying this impression that it is anti-women and it does not want to reward performing members in their government? Good night and goodbye.